What's going on, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. Just wanted to show you this roof that we're doing. It's a clay tile roof, so it's very hard to walk on. You got to know how to walk on them, otherwise you will crack them. So just give you a little look at how bad this one is. It's been a long time since this one's been done. Up here, it's got a whole bunch of treacherous things up here. Got to watch out for things. Don't want to slip or fall. It's got a lot of cracked tiles that have been glued over the years. I'll zoom in and you can see like right all through in there and behind me where I'm at. But that's what happens when you don't know how to walk on these. But we're cleaning it up, and so this will be a good reoccurring client for us. I did driveway, walkway, roof, this back area. Hold on, I gotta adjust my feet. Oh, there we go. This back patio area here, pavers, did that. Gonna do this white roof, and then the edge of that is just absolutely black like the rest of the roof. Solar panels had to be cleaned off. I still got to go spot treat some of them. A lot of stains. There's a whole bunch of broken tiles up here that have been glued together. It's fairly sturdy. You just got to know how to walk on these things, and they are really slick. This one's not as bad, but if I was over there, you always want to try to stay on the clean side. But these Spanish style roofs like this, the actual Spanish tile, yeah, these are hard to do. So this is what we're doing today. Got a couple other things that we're going to do. Got some modifications to the truck we're going to go through and making progress this year, making good money. Everybody's staying busy. Hope everybody's staying safe, having fun at what you do. You guys got a roof like this, and you got some pretty serious mold problems going on. That's eating up, see how the stains are there. You got to get rid of those stains, got to kill it all, get it off all the mortar, otherwise the mortar just cracks away during a storm. We don't want that. We want, the house to be clean. Anyway, give Titan a call, guys. That's what we do.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Yeah. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. Pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.